Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel, International Opportunity Hub. So, guys, today I am here to tell you about the big scholarship program of the year, that is Fulbright scholarship program for the year of 2023 to study in the USA, United States of America. That is a fully funded program, and this scholarship is very prestigious scholarship of the year. So let's have a look on it. The wait is finally over. Application for Fulbright Scholarship 2023 are now open to apply. It is an excellent opportunity for students to pursue their studies in the USA fully funded. Fulbright is a flagship scholarship fully funded and will cover almost all your expenses. The scholarship coverage includes your textbooks, your airfare travel, your health insurance, tuition fee coverage, stipend, and much more. Fulbright Scholarship offers graduate studies in the USA for master and PhD degree program. The Fulbright Scholarship is funded by the Pakistani government and managed by USEFP, United States Educational Foundation in Pakistan. USEFP also assists selected applicants in the visa process. Students wait for the Fulbright scholarship all year. Make sure you don't miss this excellent opportunity this year. Students seeking fully funded scholarship in the USA are highly encouraged to apply for this scholarship program. Women candidates from KPK, candidates with disability from Gilgit-Baltistan, Southern Punjab, and Northern Sindh are highly recommended to apply for this scholarship program. Almost all academic fields are offered except clinical medicines. GRE and TOEFL are required for all selected candidates. So let's have a look on some details. Details about Fulbright Scholarship Program 2023. The host country is United States of America. The host organization is United States Educational Foundation in Pakistan. And the degree offered is Master and PhD degree, and scholarship coverage is fully funded. The deadline to apply for this scholarship program is 11th of May 2022. The scholarship coverage. The scholarship will cover your textbooks, your airfare travel, your health insurance, your tuition fee coverage, and a monthly stipend. Eligibility criteria. Pakistani citizens with outstanding academic background are currently living in Pakistan and committed to returning to Pakistan and serving Pakistan after studying in the USA. And for master's 16 year of formal education is required with a bachelor degree, and PhD a degree of 18 years of formal education is required with a master or MPhil degree from an accredited university. Almost all academic fields and disciplines are offered except clinical medicines. Candidates in water, energy, health, social sciences, education, and environment are strongly encouraged to apply. GRE and TOEFL are required to apply for this scholarship program. Fulbright scholarship application process. Candidate must submit an online application form to apply for the Fulbright scholarship program for the year of 2022 to 2023. So documents required to apply for this scholarship program are your study plan, an updated CV, online application form, statement of purpose, motivation letter, statement of purpose, letter of intent, recommendation letter, and research proposal. If candidates are applying for the music, writing, architecture, filmmaking, dance field, they have to submit a portfolio. So the application deadline is 11th of May 2022. So how to apply for Fulbright Scholarship Program 2023? So let's have a look on it. So go to here. So this is the official website of promoting mutual understanding through exchanges. Fulbright degree program. The current status is open and the deadline is 11 March 2022. So start your application here. So we are going to start our application form. Start application. So then continue it. Good news for Fulbright applicant currently attending or teaching at HEC approved public university in Pakistan. The cost of your GRE may be reimbursed by USEFP if you achieved a good score. When we receive your complete application along with your official GRE score, you may request a reimbursement if you have achieved the combined score according to below criteria. For applicant in engineering and science subject, you have to score 300 score. For applicant in humanities and social science and social subjects, 290 score. If you think you qualify, attach your reimbursement request to your application. Request will not be considered unless they are received along with the complete application. USEFP has the funds to approve up to 30 such reimbursement available for 2022. So guys, continue it. You have to put your name, your family name, your first name, your middle name, and your current mailing address, and permanent mailing address, your gender, your birthplace, and then save it and then next. And after putting your general information, go to study plan. Result. So guys, your examination result. So guys, this is very important portion. Before applying, you must have to clear that you have to take the exam GRE according to your subject, and TOEFL or IELTS or GMAT according to your subject. So this is very important. And after that, go to emergency contact number. Here you have to put in information of that person. And after that, study research objectives. So you have to write here, please limit your response to 700 to 750 words. And after your research objective, go to personal statement. The personal statement should be a narrative statement describing how you achieve your current goals. Okay, so after that, your documents, your resume here, your transcript, your degree, your GRE score, your test score, and after that, your personal information. Yeah, here you have personal. Yeah, here you have to put your personal information, and after that, your reference. You can add a simple here. Minimum 3 references are required. Family name, his or her family name, first name, position, address, city, province, postal codes, country, telephone and email, and then save it. So you have to put at least 3 referee in this application form. Then personal information too, your proposed length of stay in the USA, and how did you learn for this Fulbright competition. Have you participated in any of the US government sponsored program listed below? Your personal financial information, your father occupation, your mother occupation, your spouse occupation if you are married, your own funds, other funds, and in this section you have to put all this information related to your financial university preference. Here you have to select your university according to your preference, and after that go to review and submit. So guys, this is a little bit lengthy process and a long application form, but this is also a very prestigious scholarship program. So if you are willing to study in USA for master degree program and PhD degree program, before applying for this scholarship program, you have to must fulfill all the eligibility criteria. So if you are willing to apply in USA, then must apply as a Fulbright candidate. And also friends, share this information with your friends circle, in your family circle. Maybe this will help you anyone. Thank you so much guys, we'll meet you in my next video. Take care, Allah Hafiz.